Well, our today's special value is an exciting opportunity for you to have technology, the same technology, frankly, that you would find in a dermatologist office. It comes to us from Tria Beauty. This is the Tria Beauty at-home age-defying laser. And what it is, it's an FDA-cleared at-home age-defying laser device to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes, the periorbital region, and smoothness around the face. What we have put together for you is your complete treatment system. And the price that we have here at QVC, frankly, it's probably the best price you will find in the marketplace. And I said this earlier, people Google Tria and they Google QVC looking for Tria all the time. We have the device for you today as a today's special value. You will get everything that you see here. You're going to get the Tria device, you're going to get the Tria cleanser, you're going to get the Tria eye cream. You get all of the instructions so you know exactly how to use your Tria at-home age-defying laser. And our price is $429.90. Now, we're going to talk a little later about what you could expect to spend if you went to a dermatologist's office, but what I will say to you is that you will have this technology to use in the comfort and convenience of your own home. Our price at $429.90 is incredible because if you were to purchase everything separately, you'd be looking at closer to $600. Not only do we have it at a price that's well less than that, but if you'd like to use your credit card for your purchase, you will pay for your Tria at-home age-defying laser device in 5 monthly installments. One other quick thing I do want to mention because this is important. We're going to talk about what it is, how it works, and how you use it, and how you can expect results. We have extended the return policy for the device to 90 days. You have a 90-day return policy. So love it or return it within 90 days because you want to use it properly. You want to comply with how you're going to use it in order to see the results. And we want to give you time enough to know how it's working for you. So let me introduce you to Erica Vetrini, who is the Director of Education for Tria. It's great to have you here.
Thank you so much.
This is really very exciting, isn't it?
Yes, revolutionary, in fact.
And I said earlier, because it's true, people Google Tria all the time, looking specifically for this brand and their device. And the same is true on QVC. If you have used the Tria device, would you call us? We would love to hear from you this afternoon because we know there are a lot of ladies who've been very happy with the kinds of results that they've seen. And so we were talking about it because for many of us, you know, we've done all the right things over the course of our lives, but frankly, you get to a point as your skin starts to age where you realize it's time for something else.
I say, like, you've caught yourself in the wrong light, and you finally notice, oh dear, I should have listened to my parents. I should have done what the doctor told me. I've been in the sun for too long. You see those fine lines and wrinkles, and you think, is it too late? It's just like when you get that gray hair, and you think, oh my goodness, it's time to change my routine because I want to look as young as I feel. Fortunate for us, there's the age-defining laser. It is the only FDA-cleared fractional laser for at-home use to treat different signs of aging. So we're talking about reducing the fine lines and wrinkles around your eyes, smoothing the skin on your entire face. Tria as a brand, what we do is we take existing skincare technology that has been used by dermatologists and plastic surgeons for over a decade. We take that exact same laser technology, in this case fractional laser, and we put it in the palm of your hand so you can use it at home. I think celebrities know about fractional laser. They've been using it for a very long time, and often we compare ourselves to them and think, you know, I can't afford what they do, but you can. Now, finally, you can.
Well, let's talk a little bit about the technology and how it's working and what this does.
Great, and so we've got a wonderful animation right here that talks about that. So basically, the age-defying laser emits thousands of microscopic laser lights, laser beams, and it's going to penetrate past the dermis of the skin, the epidermis of the skin, into the dermis of the skin. Now, this is what's really important because how often can you say that a product gets down deep into the dermis of your skin? Not often. A laser is really what's required to get down there in order to stimulate collagen production and to smooth those fine lines and wrinkles around your eyes and the skin and your entire face. Collagen is really important for those of you who don't know. When you're young, your skin is full of collagen, and that's what keeps those fine lines and wrinkles away. As we age, the collagen production starts to slow. In addition, when we sunbathe, the sun starts to slow the production of new collagen, and therefore fine lines and wrinkles start to appear. This is our fight against this.
So let's talk about where we're going to use
Yes.
this and areas
Sure.
of the face where we'll
Yeah,
use
you know
the
what?
device.
As I walk through it, we'll get to the zone chart. This way they can see exactly how to use it. So the first thing
Okay.
you're going to do when you get it home is you're going to clean your face when you're ready to treat, just before you go to bed. And you've got the priming cleanser today, so you can, which is made specifically for laser treated skin. So that's wonderful. It gets rid of all the debris, nothing. So there's nothing that can block the laser light. Then you simply turn on the device, your age-defying laser, your fractional laser. You can see here, there's 3 levels, 1, 2, 3. You want to start at level 1, that's the training level. And then as soon as you feel comfortable with the sensation, you're going to want to move to level 2 and then level 3. That's where you're going to get the best results. Now we've divided the face into 4 zones, as you see here. The cheek are 1 and 2, the forehead is zone 3, and the upper lip and the chin area is zone 4. What you'll do is you'll start on zone 1. You'll simply glide the laser along your cheek, which is zone 1. Now you want to make sure you keep contact with your skin and you keep that light on, because once you pull away, the light goes off. Once you stop moving, the light goes off. So keep that in motion and keep contact with your skin. You'll hear a beep. You'll move to zone 2. You'll hear another beep. You'll move to zone 3. One last beep. That'll be zone 4, and the device will completely turn off. One last step before you go to bed. You likely will experience some redness. This is a real laser. You're getting down into that epidermis. You're having some collagen action going on, so there'll be a little bit of redness. There might also be a little bit of drying. So we suggest using your favorite serum, and then also the eye serum that's provided around your eyes to really hydrate and moisturize the skin.
Okay, so and remember, you're getting that eye serum, you're getting the cleanser, you're getting your Tria laser device. The value at QVC is an exceptional value, because I'll tell you, if sold separately, you'd be looking at $590. Just the Tria age-defying laser on its own is $495. Our price considerably less than that.
Yes.
And you're getting everything else. So this is your opportunity, and this is why today, as it's a today special value, if you have thought about it, maybe you've called doctor's offices. Maybe you thought, you know what, I've got kids getting ready to go to college. I've got other priorities, and so we tend to put ourselves on the back burner. You deserve to look and feel your very best. Here's the opportunity for you to get the very same technology used in dermatologist offices, but now you own the device. It's yours to use in the comfort of your own home.
It's funny you should say that, Leah, because Leah, that's exactly what happened to me. I was feeling like it was time. I went to the doctor's office before age-defining laser was out. I had a consultation. They gave me the bill, or what the estimate bill would be, and I couldn't.
Yeah.
I couldn't justify it with 2 kids and a family.
Right.
And then when I heard age-defining laser was coming out, I actually said, no, it's not.
Yeah.
Like, you're not getting fractional laser at home.
Yeah.
And it's here.
Yeah. Well, let's show you, because we
Yeah.
want to show some before and afters, and I'd love for you to kind of walk us through
Right, and
this.
just to remind everybody that after 2 weeks, 55% of our subjects saw a difference in their skin. After 4 weeks, 92% of the users had smoother skin, and you're seeing it here. The first thing you notice from the before and after is that her skin is just brighter.
Yeah.
It's younger looking, and it's absolutely brighter. If you look here, remember, this is only 1/3 of the way through the treatment, because you're going to treat for 12 weeks,
Okay.
5 days a week. So if you look right here, after just 1/3 of the way through the treatment, right here,
Yeah.
there's been clearly this texture of her skin is smooth,
Improved, yeah.
improved, and again, once again, the brilliance, you see that. Now, if we
Wow.
tighten in on the eye shot a bit, I want to also tell everybody that our clinical users reported 75% of them said they had reduced wrinkles in only 4 weeks. So here you can see, here's the before. I want you to take a look at this patch right here.
Yeah.
These are the fine lines, and then look. It's almost as if they've been erased. So you see a real difference in that as well. Again, after 4 weeks, over 89% reported a radiant complexion, and 85% reported more youthful looking skin. So there is absolutely, everybody who called in today said, like, I don't even know how to explain this, but it's working.
I have to tell you. And so when you see this, and here again, kind of, you've been doing all the right things, but I love when you look in the mirror and you realize, I'm seeing a difference, and the products I've been using, or the strategy I've been employing, is not working the same. I'm not getting the same results. You and I were chatting earlier. It's sort of like, many of us will realize we've sort of plateaued with what we can do with many of the topical things that we use.
Yeah.
Here's your opportunity. And again, what we have for you as a today's special value is an opportunity for you to get, it's an FDA cleared at-home laser device to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles around the eye area. smoothing the face area, and it's the same technology used
Yeah.
in doctors' offices.
I think that's
dermatologist offices.
what I want to remind everybody of, because I think that you can be skeptical. It can be skeptical of devices.
Yeah.
I work for this company. I couldn't be more proud at what their mission is. They don't do a lot of things and then do lasers. They only do lasers.
Oh,
And they
right.
take the exact same, not kind of sort of like, but the exact same technology that dermatologists use. In this case, we're talking about fractional laser, and they're finally, I think the reason why I'm so passionate about our company and what we do is that I like that they're making things accessible to us, because we felt guilty before.
Right. Oh, it's
we
true.
couldn't afford those doctor's
Yeah.
appointments. Some people could,
Yeah.
many of us couldn't,
Right.
and it wasn't accessible. Tree is saying all of you deserve to look your best, your most beautiful, and now we're making this technology accessible to you.
So let's answer a few questions.
Yeah.
For I know there are ladies who are watching and saying, you know what, she's absolutely right. And I thought about it. I've investigated. I've wanted to. I even maybe checked called dermatologist offices to see, you know, because it's not just one treatment. The fact that you now have the device at home that you can do that. Too, it helps with the value over time. So, is this for all skin types? Who can use it?
Anyone can use it.
Okay.
Unlike the hair removal laser, which I've been on air with,
Yeah.
that's specific skin tones.
Okay.
No, this is for everyone.
Great. And then, how often am I going to use it? And what's the best time?
You're going to use it at night, best time. 5 days a week. I suggest doing consecutive days and then taking off 2 days in a row, just because it's easy to keep track of.
Okay, yeah, that's a great
That's
idea.
usually the case. So that's 5 days a week, 2 days off, and then you're going to do it for 12 weeks. Again, clinical users reported seeing 55% of our clinical users reported seeing results in 2 weeks. In 4 weeks, you're going to really start to notice those fine lines and wrinkles disappear. About 92% of our users said they had smoother skin, and 75% of our users said they had reduced wrinkles in 4 weeks. We still don't want you to give up then, because what happens is you use it for the 12-week cycle, then you wait 4 weeks and you start again. During those 4 weeks off, the collagen production continues. Your skin starts to what's actually happening with the laser light is that it's triggering a healing process.
Okay.
And that healing process is to produce collagen.
Okay.
So that process continues, and a caller we had earlier today said, it's weird, but I stopped using it and it kept on working. And
Right.
it does. It keeps on working.
Right. Well, I mean, if you understand collagen production and what that means for your appearance, that's part of the reason that you want this device. So let me just say this. Not only do we have the Tria Beauty laser device for you as a today's special value, we have a price that's probably unbeatable in the marketplace. You have a 90-day return policy, because that's another thing too, Erica, for people in terms of understanding
Right.
when they can expect to see results. Also explain what it feels like for
Yes.
people who've never, who are, yeah.
Okay, so the way I try to explain it is, if you're ready for laser, if you are at the point where you've plateaued with your other regime and you're looking for something more, you want to get to be looking your very best, and you're committed to being a laser, then you have to understand that it is indeed a laser. And it is indeed going down into the dermis of your skin, so there is a sensation. Most of the people who called in today said that it felt like a little tingling, a stinging, but they quickly got adjusted to it. I'd say that there's sort of like, it's like a little prickly feeling. There's most definitely redness. That means it's working. There's most of the time, there's some dryness that goes on. That's your cells turning over. That means it's working. That means you're on your way to better looking skin. So just know that it's a real laser. Know that if you're committed and you want to do the laser thing, then you're going to have to expect, you know, the sort of what happens when you use laser.
And I'll tell you, I mean, you know, when you think about in terms of just confidence and how you feel when you start to see those signs of aging that happen, you can do all the best things in terms of using the great topical products, and there are really, really good ones.
Really good ones.
But there's a limit to what those can do. And so if we can put the animation, because I think that's a
it's very
great way to
important.
understand when I say, if you're ready for that next step, this may be just what you need.
So this is what you're talking about. So here you can see how the laser sends its microscopic laser light down past the epidermis, down into the dermis of the skin. And it's in the dermis where it starts to produce the collagen and the elastin. What you were saying, you call it a topical. We call it topical for a reason, because basically it sits at the top of your skin.
Right.
That is the whole purpose of a laser, is that it can get down deep into the dermis of your skin, whereas that's where you need to be in order to produce that collagen that's going to reduce those fine lines and wrinkles around your eyes and smooth the skin on your face. I have to say, if you really are at that point where you feel like you want to look better and you know you could look better and you feel young and you just want to feel your very best, this is definitely a leap of faith that I suggest people taking. I know it's not typical tool in your arsenal in your war against aging.
Right.
But it has been around for a really long time. This technology is proven to work. TRIA purposely doesn't try to simulate something that's like the technology that's proven to work. We say, hey, it's proven to work. Let's get that exact same fractional laser and let's let everybody have a try.
And I have to tell you, in this age where everyone has access to more information about everyone else than ever, I mean, you pick up the magazines or you look at your favorite website and you wonder to yourself, well, my
How did
goodness,
they do it?
she's my age.
How
How is she looking like that? And for the longest time, it really was. Well, certainly celebrities had access to things like this.
Absolutely.
You know, people who could afford access to the best technology and devices, or could go to a dermatologist's office and money was no object. That's great for them. What I love is how democratic this is, because it really does make that available to so many more people.
Let's even out the playing field.
I love it.
Let's
I love it.
do it.
So in our final seconds, just want to remind you too, we're going to take a look at that. Do you want to show the before and after, Scott? Okay, well, because this is what we're talking about.
Yeah, I love this picture in particular, the cheek picture, because you can see total picture. Look at that before. After, do you see how the skin has the texture has completely improved, but also the radiance. Her skin is brighter. She looks younger.
She looks younger.
She
that
looks
skin
younger.
looks more youthful
Yes,
4 weeks later.
Absolutely. And actually, this particular woman said, I feel like people are noticing.
I'm sure.
And I feel really good because they're noticing, and I'm noticing.
That's a
so
good
I feel
confidence
really good.
boost, right?
Absolutely. And this is a little bit tighter on the eye. These are addressing the fine lines and wrinkles, and you have to. It's better when I can actually point out because again, this is only a third way through the 4-week cycle.
Yeah.
So the collagen production hasn't really maxed out yet, but you can see slightly under her eye how it's almost as if we've erased the fine lines and wrinkles in that area right there.
And remember, we've extended our return policy to 3 months. That's 12 weeks. So you have an opportunity to get it at home and use it. You're going to get your TRIA device. You're also going to get the cleanser. You're going to get the eye cream. You get all of it. You get complete instructions so you know exactly how to use it, what to do. But most importantly, you're getting a today's special value price, because if sold separately, everything that we've included for you here should cost $590. Our price, is $429.90, and we've divided the payment so you can pay for it in 5 installments of $85.98 a month. By the way, I should also mention that this device has won a lot of awards. It won the 2015 InStyle Best Beauty Buy. It also won the 2014 CEW, and by the way, that's Cosmetic Executive Women, Industry Big Shots. They voted this their Insider's Choice Award for